Double welcome to all from our Grigoris family and a special greetings from the Department of Accounting and Finance. As the Bible says in the book of Matthew, chapter 2, verse 14, for many are called, but few are chosen. I hope you people are chosen to be a part of MGC in future. The vision of the department to mold the students, transform them to be a better human in the society. I am Selvi Johnson as the head of the Department of BCom A&F takes the opportunity to explain about the significance of the course. Eligibility for the BCom course is the basic knowledge in accountancy in your high secondary. BCom A&F is an undergraduate course of 3 years full time. It is a course that teaches the fundamentals of accounting and financial practices. Through this course, an individual can learn the technical skills associated with many of the procedures of financial analysis and accounting standards. This course includes all the subjects like BCom General, including your income tax, corporate law, banking theory, financial service, etc. But special attention is given to financial areas by including new subjects like financial planning process, financial analytics and controls, and financial reporting, which enhance the knowledge of the students theoretically as well as stone to be a CFO in future. For your higher studies, you can pursue your master's in banking and insurance. You can be a chartered accountant. You can be an ACS associate company secretary, master's in financial management, chartered management account, your CMA, master's in commerce general, and master's in your social work. You can also go for your job opportunities like your accounts assistants, business analyst, money manager, risk analyst, senior accountant, market analyst, financial analyst, executive assistants, investment bankers. And areas of employment, you can be placed in both public sector and private sector banks, corporate banks, insurance sector, loan and finance-based companies, trading of your stock markets, etc. Even you can be a business head or business analyst in MNCs. The Department of Commerce, Accounting and Finance was started in 2017 with 50 students. We have inaugurated a students association. We have departmental activities and training sessions in communication skill, image building, supply chain management, interview skills for everything. We welcome you all to MGC. Thank you.